Alright, so it's delivery day and the gold iPhone 12 Pro just arrived. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Thanks for watching. I wanted to give a special shout out to all of my current and new subscribers as well. Thank you guys for hitting that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. This year's version comes in Pacific Blue, Silver, Graphite, and Gold. Today's unboxing will be of the Gold version. Okay, so retail starts at $999 and it goes all the way up to $1,299 depending on the amount of storage that you choose. Apple increased the starting storage to 126 gigabytes, then it goes to 256, then maxing out at 512 gigabytes. So the first thing that I do notice is that this year's box is very smaller compared to the prior versions. For example, I have the iPhone XS here, and you can see the difference in the box size. Apple claims that by slimming down the box, it'll help out the environment and provide benefits in that regard. So let's go ahead and open this box. Woo, this gold is gorgeous. Look at this. It's kind of at different angles. It looks a little whitish, but it still has that creamy gold color. It's beautiful. Okay, before I get into talking about the display and the different features of the phone, this year's iPhone only has a USB-C charger. Doesn't come with the charging brick. However, if you do have last year's version of the phone, you can use the same charger that it came with. As usual, Apple has the documentation about the phone here. So for this model, it has less bezels on the side, which means that there's more screen. So it features a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display, compared to last year's version, which was only 5.8 inches. All versions come with surgical grade stainless steel sides. Apple also went back to flat edges, which I think was a design that a lot of consumers loved. Previously, the edges were round, as you can see here. This year, they're flat. Apple also has ceramic shield, which delivers 4 times better drop performance. Should I drop this? No, I'm not. It's made with nano ceramic crystals, which are actually harder than most crystals, and it's available only on the display. As far as water resistance goes, the phone can stay in water up to 6 meters for 30 minutes. So if you jump in the pool and you forget that your phone's in your pocket, if you remember, you should be okay. The phone should still work. This is the first iPhone with 5G. The 5G antenna is right here. And with 5G, it enables faster download speeds, improved cell coverage. You also may be wondering if the implementation of 5G will affect your battery life. Apple has a new A14 Bionic chip built into the phone, and they also have something called Smart Data Mode, where the phone will automatically sense if 5G speeds are needed, and if they are not needed, it'll switch to LTE to save battery life. Moving on to the camera system, again, there's 3 cameras on the Pro version. There's the ultra wide camera, the wide camera, and the telephoto lens. Apple also has a new LiDAR scanner, which delivers up to 6 times autofocus in low light, which results in better shots. So if you're taking a lot of night mode shots, or if you're in the dark, your photos will come out clearer. Night mode is also on the wide and ultra wide cameras. Apple claims that the optical image stabilization is 5 times faster than the 11 Pro. Smart HDR3 and Deep Fusion also allows for improved detail in capturing photos. Those features are also available on the front selfie camera as well. To add on to the list of first included in this iPhone, Apple decided to add Dolby Vision recording to the front and rear cameras. Dolby Vision is a filming format that is used by film studios to display vivid colors. The iPhone 12 Pro can now capture up to 700 million colors. So color grading is done directly from your pocket. So Apple also included on the back of the iPhone 12 something called MagSafe. There's magnets built into the phone, and it allows you to easier charge wirelessly, so you don't have to try to fiddle around to try to find the perfect spot when trying to charge your phone. There's also some cool accessories that work seamlessly with the phone, like cases and wallets. So make sure you head to your local Apple store to check out the new MagSafe accessories. That wraps up the unboxing video of the iPhone 12 Pro in gold. Let me know in the comments if you plan on getting the new iPhone. What color do you want to get? Again, there's blue, there's graphite, there's silver, and gold. Until next time, Snizzy out.